Welcome to Baking with Saucy Treats. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Today's video, I will be teaching you how to make and decorate just some basic holiday cupcakes, especially for like St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna do infused cupcakes using this basic by Cinnabon cupcakes like box cake. We have a little bit of vanilla icing, Wilton green food coloring spray, or you can use food coloring gel. So the things you will need will be Wilton candy melts, disposable liquid pipettes, candy melts, candy molds. You can use icing decorator, for to decorate the cupcakes. Little cream liqueur, candy molds or ice trays to create whatever design you want. Like cupcake toppings. Then also a little pixie dust or sprinkles. And that's about it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy your St. Patrick's Day. Drive safe and don't drink and drive and eat cupcakes. Thanks for watching and baking with Saucy Treats. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.